This hair hack is all about teasing. I'm going to show you how to properly tease the hair to create that beautiful faux root. Now when you take your section, you want to take a nice clean section, you want to think about the size of the section. It's going to depend on the density of the hair that your client has. The goal is to remove about 50% of the weight. So if I have this section here, I want to be pushing away those shorter layers. And in order to push away the shorter layers, the hair has to have shorter layers. So if my model here, my client here doesn't have a lot of layers in her hair, we either got to cut some layers or we got to choose a different technique. So she does have some layers in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to elevate it about middle of the road here. I'm going to pinch it here, not a real strong grip, but firm. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this comb here. It's a YS Park comb. There's lots of great combs to tease with, but this is one that I've used for years and I love it. It just works really well with the teasing that I do. So I'm going to hold it here with tension. And you can see even some of these shorter layers here, even when I push it with my finger, they start to move away. So I'm going to take this, and I call this like raking. So I'm kind of just raking the hair up a little bit, easy, a little bit at a time. I'm not trying to go one and done all the way from the tip here to the root. I'm just working up this one large tease. And you can see it's really creating this teasy base here, but that was really only one tease. So now you can see this beautiful section here that it's ready to paint. And this is pretty wild. All those shorter layers are pushed away, but now look at this beautiful section here. About 50% of the weight has been removed and we're ready to apply the lightener.